Okay, g'day everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now, I don't often do product reviews, but today I'm making a little exception. I've just picked up this little guy. This is a Repellent camping lantern, and it's a little off-grid device. It comes with a little tripod and main body. There we go. Now, this little guy has a couple of different functions. Naturally, it's an insect repellent, and in the packet you'll receive all these little insect repellent bars, and they're, by the way, they're non-toxic and plant-based, so they're not dangerous to inhale and breathe in. One little bar lasts a night, and you simply just slip it through the little groove, just like a little mailbox. And as you use this one the following night, you put the next little bar in and it pushes the used one out. But I've just popped this in now, so that's ready to go. Now, this little guy has a few different functions. It acts as an insect repellent, and I'll try and put this up close to the screen. Two little buttons here. The button on the left turns the little device on. Hopefully you can see a little green light just here. It's got 3 levels. It's green, amber and red, which indicates medium, low and high power. And on the right hand side there's another little switch which turns the little lantern on. It can also turn the torch on, and you can actually have both going, torch, lantern and insect repellent bar. To turn the torch off, I then just attach the little tripod, and you can set this up either on the ground. I'll just tilt this camera down, on the ground, on a table or whatever, and it also comes, as you can see, with this nice little snap hook, so you can hang it off a tree branch or any sort of hook that you've got. Along with that, there's little battery indicator lights. I think I've got 3 going there at the moment. It goes up to 4. When it's on low, this little guy will run all night and longer. Naturally, when you've got it on high power and the torch and the lantern on, I think it reduces the overall power down to about 5 hours. So you just got to be careful with how much power you want to use. Yeah, it's a great little device. One thing I've always hated about summer is mozzies, and there's been a lot of occasions where we've been away here in the van, been sitting outside having a nice drink, nice cheese platter, and once sort of dusk hits, I've started getting eaten by mosquitoes. But this little guy, it actually smells quite nice. Hasn't got a strong smell, but it smells quite nice. This little guy, in between Deb and myself, eliminates the mosquitoes, which is pretty cool. He charges up with a USB-C connection, which I think most things these days are going that way, and that's just below the little battery indicator light. USB-C, as I mentioned before, I think it took me about 4 hours to charge up from 0 to 100%, and she is a little ripper. Takes up bugger all room. You can pop this in your pocket of your jacket or your bottom of your backpack, but I'll leave this in our little motorhome ready to beat the mozzies at their own game. And it also comes with numerous packets of these little insect repellent bars. A must for every camper. When you receive this package, you'll find that you have everything you need inside, including the unit itself, the tripod, the charging cable, the insect repellent bars and the instruction booklet. Yeah, I highly recommend this product. If you're interested in this little product, I'm going to put a link in the description below and a discount code. All right, any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comment section below. Once again, if you like this video, please consider subscribing for more. Thanks again, and safe travels, everyone.